Alright, good morning everybody. Just getting out here at sunrise. See what we can do here. Figuring out some lay of the land here. This is called Cobbossee stream. Some people call it Cobbossee stream, I guess for short. So we'll see what we can pick up today. Just came from under that bridge there, just launched, and we'll see what we can do for you. Alright, what do we got? Something little. Yeah, it's a start to the day. We could start with little. Little's okay. Gotta start somewhere. So this is a new bait. I'll show you it on the other camera angle there. So this is a new bait, just trying it out here. The Choppo from Berkley. My son likes to call it El Choppo. It's the 130 white. Or I'm sure it's got a better name than white, but it's white. And that's a little fella who went after it. So we'll get him back in the water real quick and start our day. Maybe not so quick. Of course, the back one got him in a fin. There we go. Well, I was just throwing El Choppo out there behind me as I was trying to get to my next spot. El Choppo. El Choppo produced another little bass. Alright, there's a second Choppo 130 bass. Alright, well, we finally got a good bite here. I threw out El Choppo again. And this guy literally hit it with that much string out. Right up next to the kayak. He's a pretty good fella. Got some good girth to him. I can feel it already. Especially with El Choppo, the way he hits, we're going to be whipping. Oh yeah, that's a nice sturdy one right there. Yeah boy. Alright, there's that fella. Pretty sturdy. He was 2.5 pounds. 19 inches. So we're in a different section here now. That was El Choppo again. Haven't had much luck with anything else. So that's El Choppo. He's a little cheaper version of a whopper plopper. I have whopper ploppers too, but I just want to try something different, so I got a El Choppo. Well, they're all waiting until the last second to bite it. That's what it seems like today, anyway. Whatever little ones or big ones I've got have all been last second jobs. Little guy. Alright, there's that little fella. He bit it about 3 feet from the kayak. Do a little quick catch and release kind of thing. And that'll be it. GoPro stop. Alright, well, I got another one on El Choppo. The wind has picked up considerably. Yeah, got a pretty good sized bass here. Alright. Seems like El Choppo is the deal. This place is very weedy. Barely had him hooked. Very weedy. These lily pads look nice, but the weeds underneath them are incredible. Alright, another nice sized bass there. He was 2 pounds. Another one on El Choppo. The wind has picked up considerably. I got about 15-mile-an-hour winds now, so making it a little difficult. But not impossible. nice one here. Just waited until right out in front of the boat. We're just following it. No pike yet, but another nice bass. Oh yeah, that's another 2+ pounder right there. All right, another solid one. A little shorter, but definitely sturdy. 2 1/4. Nice specimen. GoPros. All right, little tyke. Little tyke. All right, there's that little fella. Little bitty. We'll just do a quick catch and release and get him on his way. There we go. Alright, got another one with just about 5 feet of line out. That seems to be the MO today. Follow it up, then bite it. There we go. Little fella. Alright, there's that fella. Again on El Choppo. Seems to be where I'm getting much of my luck here today is with El Choppo. El Choppo to the rescue. Alright, well, we got something else on Choppo. Let's see. Haven't seen his face yet, or his head. Looks pretty big. Oh, he's just got a lot of he got a lot of salad on him. Decent sized fellow though. Decent sized fellow with a lot of salad. He's a decent sized fellow though. Get some of the salad off him. He's fat. He's shorter, but he's fat. He's a fatty. Look at that. Got him a belly. Alright, so that's another 2 1/2 pounder right there. He's got himself a gut. Well fed. Nice guy. On El Choppo. Choppo to the rescue, man. Jeez. Glad I got this little bait.